Hello everyone! This time my friends and I will take a trip to Coban Rais Waterfall. This Coban Rais Waterfall is located in the village of Oro-Oro Batu City. For the entry ticket, price of about 10,000 rupiah to 20,000 rupiah. After 7 minutes of driving, we finally arrived at the parking lot. Then we walk following the flow of the river and the direction. The trip to Coban Rais Waterfall takes about 45 minutes on foot. To arrive at the waterfall, we pass through tall grass and are valleys with river flow. We will also pass a larger road in the middle of the river. After walking for a long time, we finally arrived at the Coban Rais Waterfall. Wow, so beautiful! The gurgling of fresh water and green grass makes our long journey not unfun. The height of Coban Rais Waterfall is with height about 20 meters. That's what makes this tour spot more aesthetic. Finally, my friends and decided to take a break and enjoy the view. Then go home.